Hi, this is Addie from the Society of Professional Locksmiths. Have you been wanting to start programming keys to vehicles, but couldn't afford the high cost of equipment? Well, now is the time, and CLK Supplies has the solution. The Autek IKey820 programmer is simple, easy to use, and affordable. This machine supports a large variety of vehicles worldwide. The Autek IKey820 currently provides coverage up to 2017 model vehicles and has frequent monthly updates. It can read and clear fault codes, clear key memory, and program proximity and non-proximity keys, program smart keys, flip keys, aftermarket, and OEM keys, and key fobs. It also can read Immobilizer pin codes from engine ECU or body control modules, and read pre-code data from engine ECU or body control modules. What I really love about the Autek 820 is that no costly tokens are required, and you can program as many cars as you want. Since 2004, CLK Supplies has provided quality lock and key supplies to the locksmithing industry. It's what has allowed them to build trust and friendly relationships with their customers. Contact CLK Supplies by clicking the link provided and start making money in automotive key programming today.